Welcome, student. Welcome to your operating system course. And today we are going to learn the most important topic of computer science. That topic, what is operating system? Okay. Before we understanding the operating system, let me ask one simple question for you. Okay. Then see. Imagine you have a laptop. Okay. You have pressed the button. After a few seconds, Windows open. You click a Google Chrome, then open of Google Chrome. You open the YouTube. Everything work perfectly. Have you ever thought who is doing all the work? Okay, who is doing all the work? Who start up the computer? Who open the application? Who control the keyboard and mouse? Who manage the memory? Okay, the answer is operating system. Today we'll be understanding everything about the operating system. Okay, then step by step. What is operating system? Operating system. Okay, an operating system is a system software that act a bridge between user. Okay, and the computer hardware. It control, manage and resource of computer. Without a operating system cannot work properly. First, system software of bringing user and hardware. Okay, control CPU, memory, storage, output device, input output device, provide service application programming, make the computer easy and efficient to use. Okay, this. Okay, let me meaning easy meaning. Okay, let's understand the every simple word. Suppose you buy a brand new laptop. Okay, the laptop was CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, screen. Okay, these are called hardware, but can you use them directly? No. Okay, because the hardware does not understanding what you want. You need a manager who control everything. That manager is called operating system. Okay, then real life example for imagine a school. Okay, there are a many students, there are a many teachers, there are a classroom, there are a library, there are a playground. No, now think. Okay, how is managing everything? Answer, principal. Okay, the principal tell the teacher what do to do. The principal managing student, the principal of manage of school resources. Similarly, any operating system manage all parts of a computer. Okay, operating system is manage of a computer. Okay, let me question, why do you need any operating system? Okay, why do you need one question, why do need an operating system? Okay, this question, why do you we need any operating system? Now think about. Okay, what is happen if there is no operating system? The computer cannot start, application cannot run, the keyboard will not work. Okay, the mouse will not work, file not connect with saved, the printer cannot print, the internet may not properly work, In simple word, without any operating system, a computer is just not a start. Okay. Example: operating system. Some popular operating system we are Microsoft. Okay. Let me first. Okay. Windows, Microsoft, Linux. Okay. Android and iOS. This. Okay. Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, Chrome. There you have properly Windows. If you are using mobile phone, or you are properly using Android or iOS. Okay. Okay. One more question: goals of an operating system. Operating system. Okay. Now let us understand why an operating system is created. Okay. The operating system has some important goals. First, first make the computer easy to use. Okay. First of goal is to make the computer easy for everything. Imagine you want to be open. Okay. You first sorry imagine you want to open paint. You simple double click the paint icons, then after paint open in a few seconds. You do not need to control the CPU or memory yourself. The operating system does not everything you. Okay. Second goal, second goal, use hardware. hard Hardware. Okay. Efficiency. Efficiently, sorry. Okay. There are a computer as limited resource. For example, CPU, RAM, RAM, hard disk. Okay. The operating system make user the this resource are used efficiently. Example: you can listen to music while writing notes in Microsoft Word. Okay. One more: you can listen to music while written in Microsoft Word. Both applications work smoothly because the operating system share the resources. Okay. Understand? Next goal, goal 3, improve performance. Performance. Okay. Performance. Okay. Then the operating system tries to make the computer faster. It manages the CPU, RAM, and storage so that program open quickly and run smoothly. Okay. Then four goals. Four goals: share resource. Okay. Share resource because the many application may needed the some resource. Example: Chrome, Microsoft, VLC, media player all needed the CPU. The operating system share the CPU among them. This kind of resources, resource sharing. Okay. 5, provide security. Okay, provide security. The operating system provide your personal information, password, fingerprint, face log. This feature help keep your data safe. Okay. Then again, goals. There are goals. Okay, efficiently performance, resources sharing, security, reliability and scalability. Okay. Again, process management, memory management, file, device management. Then okay, part 2, security protection. Okay, user interface, then a traffic place. Okay, then again a next video of this part 1. Okay, process management, memory management. Okay, then after a smaller question, first a function. Yeah, function and operating system. Now function, function of an operating system, OS. Okay, first now let learn what work the operating system performance every day. Okay, then some of types of functions. Function 1, process management. Okay, memory management, file management, device management, security, user interface. Okay, then again of next class of this management of. Okay, then thank you very much, and share and comment my videos. Okay, tata, bye bye.